Daki hajar ngut ki khna school ki latu chagamadan jogadon Bosco school tura haka khat pratri ujamang rengkat bagi noi kai jing school ba pher ban yishim benta jing lang ni peace rally ban dawana ka benta ban pelat yu noi kai school barem ubala syara abor hai ki kin hun king atiar ugaga Nendranath Sanyal ki khna school ne ki school ba pher jong nong ba tura bat ki ba marjan ba kate nong ba kilai tu ha kate sngi ban penrem jur ya kate jing syara abor jong tu non kai bat kan turu ye ginong ra abor yu ban pelat klem gunu jing te kendon ni pin mensau kumban chupentem Usaniel ubah nyo posnam karta ula syara abor na Ramakrishna Mission Jekabari Hajan Garu Bada South Garu Hills haka khenda teri umta ubnai bat hadu umta 4 tip channel ra abor yu bat ye gibri kebedan ketiru 4 don jing tem Kate jingalang patba kelas dang da jing dua jung Bishop ka Garu Hills respected Reverend Andrew Marak. Ulo duai ba ublay unte ke jingker ku na kabentaban wanno ka jing songsuk songsan harilom Garu bat kenturu iginong rabor ban pelat yo noh kai Usaniel klem kanu ka jing te kendon ni ka jing pen mensa yu. Nakaliang headmaster ka Don Bosco School Father January Sangma ula kentu iginong rabor ban pelat yo te noh kai ubala syakri harilom Garu na kabentaki samla puli klem kanu ka jing pen mensa.
I am Father Januarius S. Sangma. I am the principal of Don Bosco Higher Secondary School. I also studied in Don Bosco Higher Secondary School from class 4 to class 8, during which Sir Sanyal was also one of the teachers. I can tell you he was loved by all the students. He was in charge of NCC. He was also teaching us. And he was very popular among all of us. Now I have become principal, and just before I arrived at the school, he retired. Even then, he used to pay a regular visit to the school, particularly during sports days, and whenever we asked him to conduct Scouts and Guides camp, and also NCC camp, he never said no. He used to come and organize any event wonderfully well. After his retirement also, he was very active, and lately he also was lending a helping hand to one of our schools, Ramakrishna Mission School, in near his garden, Jekabari. And it was quite shocking for us to hear that suddenly in one of the nights when the villagers were watching, due to lack of electricity in his house, a TV program, a group of people came and called him out. Since for quite many years there has been no such incident, without suspecting anything he came out, and when he came out there were 2 or 3 of them who forcibly took him away. His wife came out and she tried to beg all those who were taking him away to leave him alone. However, they took him away. And after that, there was a contact with the family members, especially the son, Sobik. They talked to him, they said in local language. And after some days of negotiation, they put a certain amount of demand of money for his release.
Why are you part of this rally?
To release Sir Sanyal.
Okay, and were you ever a student of his? Okay, how is he as a teacher?
He's good.
He's good. What is his contribution to your life? Has he done anything good for you? Anything of that sort?
He has done lots of good things for us
In school. So these Scouts and Guides, are you also a part of it?
Yes, I'm from NCC.
You're from NCC.
If today the teachers are not given due respect, and if they are abducted, and we got to know that also some of our teachers who do lots of good for the future of the society and the students, they have to on the monthly basis contribute to those who are demanding. So we thought that we would appeal to them. Though the action is condemnable, we decided that we would call this rally peace. So we would like to organize a peaceful rally, silent rally, during which there are so many schools, practically all the schools of Tura, which came forward. And this rally is basically to appeal to them that let us leave the teachers alone.